Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting inside Word with a document open. This saves time and shows live changes. First, go to File, then Account on Windows, or on a Mac, open Word menu and choose Preferences. You want the Personalize or Office theme control so you can switch the whole app to dark. Do this because it reduces eye strain and changes UI elements, not just page color. Once you've located Office theme, keep the menu open for the next step and make sure you have a recent Word update. Now actually change the theme. From Office theme, pick black for maximum contrast or dark gray for subtler change. That toggles ribbon, panes, and backstage to dark. If you only want documents to appear darker but keep UI light, switch to View and open Read mode, then use Page Color to select a dark shade. This affects page background only. Make sure to apply and watch the screen. If elements still look bright, check Word's update status and restart the app to fully load the new theme. Finish by confirming the theme across documents. Save a file, close Word, and reopen so settings persist. If you're on a Mac, go to Word Preferences General, then Personalize to set dark mode there. If colors look off, change page color or open accessibility options to increase contrast. This fixes poor legibility. Troubleshooting tip: if the theme won't stick, update Office, sign out and back into your account, or reset preferences. These steps usually resolve sync or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.